Okay, so really quickly, I'm going to show you inside the weekly and monthly meal planning complete kit so that you can see what you're supposed to do when you get it. It's very easy and I kept it very simple. So this is just a cover page, and then I have two-step instructions here just to kind of walk you through how to use each of the pages so that you're not confused at all. This is going to help you break down meal planning and make it really simple. So the first thing you're going to do is map out your month, and all the monthly pages are in pink. And then the next thing you're going to do is, I don't know what that is, map out your weeks and do a weekly menu, and those are all going to be in blue. So here's your monthly calendar, and this is just where you're going to write down all the meals that you want to make for the month and plan them out monthly. And if you struggle with inspiration, I have something later on that will help with that too. This is a pantry clean out checklist. So once a month, you're going to want to go through your pantry, freezer, fridge, and long-term storage and write down all the things that you need to use this month. And then you can base some of your meals for that monthly calendar off of the things that you need to eat up so you don't waste any food. Then you have 2 weekly meal plan options. So if you're more free-spirited like me, just write all your meals for the week down in here and then make them in whatever order you want. You don't have to plan them daily. Or if you like to have it more regimented, then just go ahead and write it down on this weekly planner here. And these I also laminate. So these I like to keep on my fridge and use Expo markers to update my weekly meal plan. That helps me remember what I'm supposed to be making for dinner when it's dinner time. I just glance at my fridge, see what I wrote down, and start prepping. So that makes that easy. And then you have grocery lists so that you can make sure you have the right groceries on hand. And last but not least, a master meal idea list. This is where I have a whole bunch of great meal ideas that are very simple and basic. Everybody loves them. And a little bit of space for you to write in some of your own so that when you go to make your monthly calendar and you need a little bit of inspiration, you can just refer to this list really quick with some of, classics and then some of your own favorites to help inspire you to make that monthly calendar. And it's really super easy. So I hope you guys love this and that it really gets you organized and started on meal planning because it is such a game changer.